Hey, welcome back for part two where I am I'm doing an unboxing and I'm giving my first reaction of these scents. So far, y'all, I'm in trouble because I'm ready to buy bigger versions of every single one. Like, I literally am in love with every single one. I spilled some of this one on my hand because I guess when they ship them, they come with a cap on them, which is great. But I got a little bit on myself. Oh, I can't stop. This one has a mix of, I believe it's Bianco Latte inspiration, and I believe it's Tejota inspired, but with marshmallow. So it's like inspired, but each of them have their own twist. And this one is giving me that Wanderlust feel. Even though I know it's not Wanderlust, it's like right there. So I believe these two will make a great layer to that. And mind you that this is just the first impression. I'm going to also make reviews on like how they are throughout the day, the longevity, all that good stuff. So let's get to the next one. Okay, so this one is Puff the Magic Dragon, and not only did the owner who suggested Sydney Summers, this one, the one that smells like you're eating fresh fruit and grease in a beautiful dress, she suggested this one as well because I love the Lena exclusive, and my best friend and I have like an insider for this name, so it was like heaven sent, divinely sent that I had to get this one. So if I love it, I'm going to surprise my friend with it. Don't tell her. Oh, wow. This smells so good. So one really cool thing about their brand is like there's marshmallow in some form in almost every one. This smells so beautiful. And I can smell it really complimenting the Lena exclusive. And overall, I don't know if you've noticed a theme or not with my scents, but they're really going to be geared towards summer and creaminess or gourmandness. So, I'm also going to be doing an unboxing and testing of some body oils. So I kind of went based off of the oils I ordered from a company called Blake & Co., which was really cool because she had tester opportunities, so I was able to get the oils for a lower price just to give her a test, and I'm going to be a part of helping her picking the summer and spring scent. So, oh, this smells very nice. It's giving the Lena for sure, but like I said too, this is just off of impression. This is like not a spray or anything. I'm just smelling it straight out of the bottle. I will give that review after I actually try it. This is just an opening. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, next one. Okay, let's see here. Oh, my light turned off. That's okay. So this one is Hawaiian Banana, and I got this one because I wanted a nice banana to pair with my Canvas Beauty Banana Cream Pie body glaze. So let's see if it's giving. Okay, banana, yummy banana. I'm not gonna lie, this one's really hard because I don't know if I have a favorite so far. I really don't. Like, I can see each one being a beautiful layer to the oils I have coming in, to some of the perfumes I have back there. Oh, what's that about to be? Somebody about to be snacking on me. So, I guess I should share my scent profiles. I love gourmand. So like I love smelling edible. I love smelling yummy. But what's nice with Gourmand is it can lean 20 million different ways. You can be a lemon pound cake. You can be a cream strawberry fluff. You know, you can be a very creamy sweet almond milk. You can be just a burst of lemon and strawberry and marshmallow. So you can even be banana. So Gourmand is such a huge scent profile that you can have lots of fun in it. But I noticed my theme is I like to smell edible, like you just want a little bite. And my other scent profile is like very clean, elegant. That's where the Delina exclusive comes in. And then I also love, and I hope I'm saying it right, it's either Valaya or Valaya exclusive. They're like besties, Valaya and Delina exclusives. I find that Valaya gives me that creaminess that I love in Michael Kors that I mentioned in the previous part 1. But it has this elegance in it that Delina exclusive gives me. And then the only really main difference between the two is that Valaya doesn't have rose in it, which I'm okay with, because I'm okay with them having different scent profiles. So either way, all I'm just saying, I like Gourmand and I like floral, and I do like some bits of fresh clean girl. So I think I'm pretty well rounded. I do love some ambers and I do love musk, but that's kind of mixed into that clean girl elegant. So as you'll learn in your own journey, you might start out thinking you're one way only until you smell something and you're like, oh my gosh, I might have multiple signature scent profiles. So now that I said all that, let's try Hawaiian Banana. Oh my goodness, it's gonna pair so good with that. Oh, this is so nice. It's creamy banana. Oh yeah, I knew I bought that for a reason. It's definitely going to go with that banana body glaze. And they were so nice to even throw in some samples. So that was nice too. So let's open the main reason. It wasn't the main reason, but one of my most exciting things about this order is I have really been missing brown sugar fig from Bath and Body Works. And I've never seen a perfume like that. So when I saw this, you know I had to try it. Sweet vanilla fig. I pray that it takes me back to that nostalgic feel, and I'm hoping it lasts a lot longer because I only had it in the body mist, of course. So let's see. Oh my gosh, they hit this right on the nose. It literally, and I ain't gonna lie, they had a sale and I bought 2 more. And now I'm really glad I did because it smells so good. Oh, I'm taken back. Oh, well, sweet vanilla fig is a win. I'm very thankful. So I already have sweet almond milk. I find that interesting that I have the sample of this, but since I didn't spray it, I figure I'll go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, it's giving Wanderlust. It smells delicious. I think I might give this one to my little muffin though, since I have that one. And this one is called Decadent Delight. This one smells good too. It's giving Escape Gourmand. Very gourmand, vanilla, caramel, brown sugary, very good. Is the lineup. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for like real live reviews of them. I'm gonna give you like layering combos because like I said, I did this to pair them with my oils that I have coming in. So stay tuned for more perfume fun, more reviews. Highly suggest you checking these ladies out. And I'm so excited.